Well, today we'll be making fungi, and it's made using what we call starch, which is a byproduct of arrowroot. Let's go. So here the starch is.
So you take a bottle or a roller and you crush the starch so that it would be fine even as flour. Then you light the fire, pour water into the pot. Let it boil. Some salt.
Go ahead.
The water is boiling, so some of the water, salt water, is being removed and set aside so that the starch is too much. It would be very stiff and dry. So if that happens, you would pour back some of the water into the pot. Apart from that, you can use the water, use the salt water and squeeze lime in the water and eat your fungi. It's coming. You need to boil a little so that it will come in a little. Here we have.
So this is the final product, and here we have what is called fungi. It is best eaten with boiled fish or boiled chicken or as a side dish or as a main dish.